good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it may be, wherever you are watching this. It is the first official episode. Welcome. We are getting it going, heading up to the snowboarding slopes. So enjoy. We're going to be having a day out there. It is a little bit cold. Let's see what we do. That is it. We are officially going with the first official episode. Thank you guys for checking it out again. We are headed to Mountain Creek to do some snowboarding. Right now, don't have any plans of stopping, but I'm gonna see, might come across either a Dunkin' or a Starbucks, whatever we kind of cross first. I don't really pick between the two. So whatever we get to or pass, I'm gonna probably stop in, maybe get a breakfast sandwich, and then go from there. So stay tuned, we should be there. We got about an hour and a half. Alright, so we're actually only got about 20 minutes left. We just made it to a Dunkin' Donuts. We're gonna get something quick here, go to the bathroom, and finish the trip. Alright, so we just got here. We gotta get our rental. I unfortunately do not have a board. We're about to check this out. I think I'm in the right spot. Here we go. That is it. We got the board. We are ready to rock and roll. Hopefully, don't fall too many times. So we're gonna see how we can do out here. First time out all year over at Mountain Creek. Chilling. Here for a little while, finally starting to get a little bit warmed up. Now trying to level up and go over to the terrain park. Hopefully not fall too many times. That is it, guys. Just wrapped that up, headed back home now. A pretty solid session. Most of these videos were shot from my phone, or actually all of them were shot from my phone that was actually involving me snowboarding. So with that, just didn't want to get my camera all dirty. Possibly getting a GoPro to get a little bit of better content and footage. But until then, I'll see you guys next time.